Good evening, friends. Sorry for being late. Actually, there have been a technical problem at Zoom end. Although we had a professional license, but which can allow unlimited people, but somehow it have not been working. We will work upon it and let you know tomorrow why it happened. We are sincerely sorry, and we apologize for starting this late. We welcome our guest, Ms. Suvidhi Pandey. She is an expert dietitian, and she has been in this profession for very long. She is a very professional dietitian. I have been consulting her through a doctor, and she is an industrialist. What to say? Very experienced industrial person in the field of diets. We welcome you all during this time of COVID to see you smiling and joining the conference amidst of everything from the branches and from the houses. We are really very thankful for you to make use of this utility. We have been trying to reach to you every now and then. Tomorrow we will be hosting a session by a life coach and a professional, a psychologist, who will help you in overcoming anxiety and panic during this time of COVID. Because nowadays, what is happening is everywhere there is negativity. So, stopping people from negativity, thinking negative, and anxiety, many people are facing problems. Nowadays, I am seeing most of the cases where people are having an oxygen level of 90 to 93, and they hear the wrong news or sad news, their oxygen level will suddenly go down to 80 and 89, 90. So these kind of panic news we want to stop, and we want ki our people should, if people hear a negative news, he should be able to deal with it, because nowadays negative news is something which is very common. One part is this: day after tomorrow we are having a yoga followed by a meditation session by Art of Living faculty. They are very senior faculty. They are doctors. They will be joining us, and it's morning 7:30, 8:30 or 7:30. I need to check it in the time. So please be on time. Make sure that you have a yoga mat along with a bottle of water during the course. And on Sunday at 11 a.m., we are going to have panel of doctors. The doctor will be doctors from internal medicine, because during COVID, a doctor from internal medicine is somebody who treats you. Then we have a nephrologist, because COVID have an effect on kidney. So we have a nephrologist. And then we have a cardiologist. The effects of kidney on heart, that we are covering. So those doctors will be from Apollo and Gangaram Hospital. They are the most senior doctors. They have agreed to give us time amidst of all these things. So they will be joining us. I hope you all stay healthy. Those who are recovering, recover fast, eat good food, be in positive state of mind. That is what matters. And anybody who have recovered on his own in isolation, please take care of post pneumonia COVID. Right now, those people who have got a problem of COVID, who recovered at home without having either oxygen problem or any problem, they are developing post pneumonia COVID and their oxygen is fluctuating. You are getting negative, you are joining office and your oxygen is getting fluctuated. So kindly refrain, keep a tab on your oxygen. Don't check after every 15 minutes, but keep a tab on the oxygen and check for post pneumonia COVID. It is very dangerous. I'm telling you. Please take care. Thank you. And now I leave the host Amrita to lead the session. Amrita ji, the floor is all yours with Subidhi and Shreya. Shreya from Subidhi side. I'll unmute you both.
Thank you, sir. Hello, everyone. Good evening. I'm Amrita, your host for tonight. And today we are having a live talk session on the topic of COVID-19 health issues and diet plans. Right now, we have our very talented dietitians on the board, Suvidhi and Shreya ma'am. And I welcome you both of you. Thank you so much for making time for us. And also, I would like to say I'm really overwhelmed seeing the participation of everyone. There's a great zeal, I think I can see here. And a very good wishes to all of you who are recovering. And जो recover कर चुके हैं, please stay in good health, good mind. And plasma donations के लिए please आप एक दूसरे को motivate करते रहिए. Please stay there. And tonight, first of all, we are going to have some time duration with Suvidhi and Shreya ma'am regarding what are they are planning to present here. And then after that, we have a series of questions, and people from all of you, like anyone can ask questions they have in mind after the session. So I welcome Suvidhi and Shreya ma'am on the board. Please come. Please unmute yourself.
She's already.
And okay, okay. So I just hand it over to ma'am then. Please continue, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Amrita, for the warm welcome. I would also like to thank Ravinder sir for making this meeting happen. I hope आप सभी अच्छे health में हैं. Hi everyone. मेरा नाम सुविधि पांडे है and I am a dietitian by profession. So आज की meeting में, as already told to you, हम बात करने वाले हैं about various complications जो obviously we know time to time COVID के time पे आ रही हैं. दूसरे केसेस में, अलग अलग केसेस में यू विल बी फीलिंग देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंसेस. कुछ लोगों का SpO2 लेवल कम हो जा रहा है, कुछ लोग कोविड पॉजिटिव डिटेक्ट नहीं हो रहे हैं बट दे आर गेटिंग सिम्टम्स, एंड पोस्ट कोविड देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम. तो इन सभी प्रॉब्लम्स को एड्रेस करते हुए वी विल डिसाइड कि कैसे क्या चीजों को हम ज्यादा अपने रूटीन में खा सकते हैं, कौन से न्यूट्रिशनल सप्लीमेंट्स ले सकते हैं, घर में ऐसी कौन सी चीज का सेवन कर सकते हैं जिससे आपका हेल्थ मेंटेन रहेगा. एंड ऑल्सो देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल डिफरेंट सिचुएशंस में. सम पीपल आर रिकवरिंग इन 7 days, कुछ लोग 7 दिन में ठीक हो जाएंगे, कुछ लोग को 2 हफ्ते, कुछ लोग को 20 दिन, 21 दिन. अलग अलग बॉडी का इम्यून सिस्टम पे डिपेंडेंट आपका रिकवरी हो रहा है. तो जस्ट टू मेक श्योर कि आपका रिकवरी रेट इज गुड, we'll decide few foods, we'll decide few routine कि क्या क्या हम ले सकते हैं. रूटीनली इन चीजों को खा के, कुछ सप्लीमेंट्स को लेके, कुछ अपने डेली सेडेंटरी लाइफ में चेंजेस करके आप अपने रूटीन को अच्छा भी रख सकते हैं और ज्यादा हेल्दी भी रह सकते हैं. So I would share my screen. Amrita, I would like to ask you how many people are in the meeting. Can I like log in from my laptop as well to share the screen?
You are already on the Zoom now.
Yeah, I am already on Zoom.
So you can
from
share
my...
the screen. You share the screen.
Okay, then I'll share the screen from my phone itself. Just
because
give
today
me
Zoom is not allowing. Normally we do a meeting of 500 plus people. Today it has not allowed.
No problem. I'll share the screen itself then from my phone. I hope it is nicely visible to all of you. Just give me a second. Okay, I'm not the host. Can you make me the host so that I can share the content?
Sure, sure. Now you try.
Yeah, okay. Okay. So I hope my screen is visible to all of you. Is it visible? Is the screen visible, sir?
Yes, yes.
Okay, let's take it this way. Okay, so there are few slides that will come across you. So the first thing is that we will definitely talk is the healthy habits. तो अभी आपको ये समझने का थोड़ा सा जरूरत है कि what is the basic problem इस वाले कोविड के साथ. इसका जो साइट ऑफ इन्फेक्शन है that is near your nasal area. आपके जो नोज के बिहाइंड जो एरिया होता है, जो आपका पैरानेजल साइनस एरिया, वहां पे आपका इन्फेक्शन है. तो इससे दिक्कत क्या हो रही है जनरली कि बिकॉज इट इज इन द पैरानेजल साइनस एरिया, शुरू के दिनों में जब आपको इन्फेक्शन है, पहले दूसरे तीसरे दिन, द इन्फेक्शन कैन बी वेरी माइल्ड. प्रॉब्लम बहुत कम हो सकती है, आपको लगेगा कि दिक्कत ज्यादा नहीं है, हल्का सा सर्दी जुकाम हो रहा है, बट इन द कोर्स ऑफ टाइम ये इन्फेक्शन आपका धीरे धीरे ट्रैवल करेगा. इट विल ट्रैवल टू योर थ्रोट एंड देन टू योर लंग्स, और धीरे धीरे आपके सिम्टम्स बढ़ने लगते हैं. इट मल्टीप्लाइज. पिछले साल जब हम कोविड के टाइम पे अपना ख्याल रख रहे थे तो हम लोग जनरली क्या कर रहे थे, गर्म पानी, काढ़ा, इन सब चीजों को बस ले रहे थे टाइम टू टाइम रूटीन में। बट इस बार ये काफी नहीं है, क्योंकि आपका जो वायरस है ये कई दफा म्यूटेट कर चुका है, बहुत सारे इसमें चेंजेस ऑलरेडी आ चुके हैं। हम लोग थोड़े टाइम पहले हम लोगों ने ये सुना था कि देयर इज अ स्ट्रेन, यूके में कोई स्ट्रेन है, फिर यूएस में कोई स्ट्रेन है, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट चेन्स के बारे में सुना था। तो आपका जो वायरस है, अगर थोड़ा सा अंडरस्टैंडिंग है हमें कि म्यूटेशन क्या होता है, कि वेरी इजी एग्जांपल, हम लोग खुद एक साल में अपने अंदर बहुत सारे चेंजेस देखते हैं, तो वैसे ही एक साल में आपका वायरस भी बहुत बार चेंज हो चुका है। और इसीलिए कई लोग जिनको अभी जो कोविड पॉजिटिव नहीं आ रहे हैं बट एन नंबर ऑफ सिम्टम्स है, लेट्स से सर्दी, जुकाम, बुखार, लॉस ऑफ स्मेल, टेस्ट है, वो लोग भी अपने आप को आइसोलेट कर रहे हैं बिकॉज आपके आरटीपीसीआर में या आपके एंटीजन टेस्ट में आप पॉजिटिव हो वो नहीं पता चल रहा है बिकॉज ऑफ द म्यूटेशन। एंड द बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम इज कि इस बार अगर आप लोग के घर में किसी को भी प्रॉब्लम हुई हो या फ्रेंड्स फैमिली में किसी का आपने सुना हो जो भी कोविड पॉजिटिव हुआ हो, उनको सबसे बड़ी दिक्कत क्या आ रही है कि लंग्स में क्लॉट हो जा रहे हैं, राइट? नाउ टू मेक यू अंडरस्टैंड द क्लॉट, आई हैव टू स्टॉप द स्क्रीन शेयरिंग। व्हाट हैपेंस, क्लॉट में क्या प्रॉब्लम होती है? जब भी क्लॉट की दिक्कत आती है तो लेट्स से आपके हार्ट में कोई क्लॉट हुआ, राइट? हार्ट में क्लॉट होता है तो लेट्स से आपकी ये नॉर्मली आपकी वेन्स एंड आर्टरीज हैं, इसमें ब्लड फ्लो होता है। जब क्लॉट होता है तो क्या होता है? इट कम्स लाइक दिस, राइट? हार्ट में अगर ऐसा क्लॉट है, ब्लड सर्कुलेशन नहीं होगा, आपको हार्ट अटैक का प्रॉब्लम होगा। सिमिलरली लंग्स में अगर क्लॉट है तो क्या होगा कि अगेन द आर्टरीज एंड द वेन्स विल कम लाइक दिस। क्लॉट है, लंग्स का बेसिक काम है ऑक्सीजन आपकी बॉडी में पहुंचाना, राइट? तो आपके बॉडी में ऑक्सीजन अगेन नहीं पहुंचेगा क्योंकि क्लॉट हो रहा है। इसीलिए डॉक्टर्स आजकल सिटी स्कैन कर रहे हैं। सिटी स्कैन का रिपोर्ट अगर खराब है एंड यू नो कि क्लॉट है तो दिक्कत इज वेरी एडवर्स। तो जब भी किसी को सिटी स्कैन रिपोर्ट खराब आ रही है, जब भी किसी को माइल्ड इन्फेक्शन या कुछ भी हो रहा है, तो वी विल बी टेलिंग यू फ्यू थिंग्स जो आपको अपने लंग्स में जो क्लॉट है वो कम करने के लिए लेने चाहिए। बट कीप इन माइंड ये तभी देना है जब कोई ऑलरेडी पहले से कोई ब्लड थिनर नहीं ले रहा है, कोई इकोस्प्रिन वगैरह नहीं ले रहा है। अगर आप ऐसे कंडीशन में कोई भी चेंजेस देते हैं, कोई भी चीजों को ज्यादा करते हैं, तो यू विल हैव टू टॉक टू योर डॉक्टर एंड once take their advice. Coming back on the presentation, now the thing is कि you should take steam. Steam लेना definitely बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है डेली, क्योंकि स्टीम से क्या होगा, आपके जो पेरानेजल साइनस एरिया है, जो नोज का एरिया है, वहां पे आपका स्टीम जा पाएगा, ताकि जो इन्फेक्शन है, अगर बहुत माइल्ड इन्फेक्शन है या बहुत शुरुआत का समय है, तो इन्फेक्शन वहीं पे खत्म हो जाए, आपका वायरस वहीं पे पैरालाइज हो जाए या फिर अपना काम करना बंद कर दे। और अगर आपकी इम्यूनिटी अच्छी है तो ये वायरस ऑटोमेटिकली आपके बॉडी से हट जाएगा, थ्रोट में या लंग्स में नहीं जाएगा। अब जरूरी है कि हम नॉर्मली हम लोग क्या करते हैं, जो भी रैंडम व्हाट्सएप चैट्स पे फॉरवर्ड्स आते हैं या किसी ने किसी ग्रुप पे मैसेज कर दिया, हम सब चीज को आंख बंद करके करने लगते हैं। पीछे कई सारे आपके पास व्हाट्सएप मैसेजेस आए होंगे कि आपको स्टीम लेना है तो उसमें कोई एसेंशियल ऑयल डालिए, दिस एंड दैट। ये करने की जरूरत नहीं है। जैसे आप नॉर्मली स्टीम लेते हैं, कई बार लोग इजी ब्रीथ वगैरह डाल के लेते हैं, आप वो डाल सकते हैं। तुलसी ड्रॉप घर में है तो तुलसी ड्रॉप डाल लीजिए। अगर आपके पास करक्यूमिन है, यानी वो जो कच्ची हल्दी होती है, कच्ची हल्दी है तो थोड़ा सा कच्ची हल्दी का अगर किसी आप वेसल में लेके भाप ले रहे हैं तो कच्ची हल्दी डाल सकते हैं। ये चीजें इसलिए क्योंकि तुलसी एंटीसेप्टिक है, ऑब्वियसली आपके इन्फेक्शन को कम करेगी। करक्यूमिन क्या है, सूजन को कम करेगा। जितने भी लोगों को सर्दी खांसी जुकाम ज्यादा हो रही है, उनको सूजन बहुत ज्यादा हो रहा है, तो यू शुड टेक स्टीम दिन में 2 बार 3 बार। कोई भी ऑयल मत डालिए इसमें, कोई भी रैंडम चीजों पे विश्वास मत करिए। एक बार अपने हेल्थ एक्सपर्ट से या डॉक्टर से बात करके ही कुछ भी लेना है। नाउ देयर आर 4 वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट विटामिन जो आपको लेना है। सबसे पहला जिंक। अब हम लोग कई लोग जो मल्टीविटामिन मल्टी मिनरल खा रहे हैं, वो उसी में सारी चीजें हैं कि जिंक है तो विटामिन डी भी इसमें है, विटामिन सी डी सब है तो वही खा लेते हैं। नहीं, इस समय आपको थोड़ा सा अपना सप्लीमेंट इनटेक बढ़ाना पड़ेगा। तो अगर आप जिंक ले रहे हैं तो 50 mg एलिमेंटल जिंक आपको लेना है, पूरे दिन में एक बार लीजिए। विटामिन सी, एस्कॉर्बिक एसिड का अगर आपके पास कोई भी सप्लीमेंट है तो उसको आपको कम से कम 1000 mg दिन में 2 बार लेना है। ये रूटीन आप एटलीस्ट तब तक करते रहें जब तक आप वैक्सीनेट नहीं हो जाते हैं, और दोनों वैक्सीनेशन लगने के बाद भी 1 महीने का समय लगेगा पूरी तरीके से इम्यूनिटी बिल्ड होने में, तो उस दौरान भी लेते रहे। दोनों वैक्सीन लगने के 1 महीने बाद तक इस विटामिन को कंटिन्यू रखें। विटामिन D3, कई सारे सप्लीमेंट आते हैं D3 के, टायो है, अपराइज है, कैल्सिफेरॉल, कोकैल्सिफेरॉल, ये डिफरेंट सप्लीमेंट्स लिए जा सकते हैं। 60,000 IU, स्पेसिफिकली 60,000 IU लेना है आपको, हर 3 दिन में 1 बार लेना है 2 हफ्ते तक। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस, करक्यूमिन के भी सप्लीमेंट्स मार्केट में आते हैं, क्योंकि कच्ची हल्दी, आई डोंट नो कितना आप लोगों को अवेलेबल होगा कितना नहीं, कच्ची हल्दी मिल रही है तो उसको हम काढ़े में डाल के कंज्यूम कर सकते हैं। अदरवाइज करक्यूमिन का सप्लीमेंट 500 mg लेंगे। जिनको भी कोविड पॉजिटिव जो भी हो गए हैं वो करक्यूमिन का सप्लीमेंट दिन में 2 बार लेंगे। जिसको कोविड पॉजिटिव नहीं है, जो बस एज प्रिकॉशनरी मेजर ले रहे हैं करक्यूमिन, वो 1 बार भी लेंगे 500 mg, तो काम बन जाएगा। नाउ द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज, सबसे ज्यादा ऑब्वियसली हमें पता है कि काम हमें अपनी इम्यूनिटी पे करना है, तो जितने भी विटामिन सी रिच फूड है, जैसे संतरा है या लेमन है, मौसमी है, वो खाना है। लेमन उस केस में आप अवॉइड कर लीजिए अगर किसी को लेमन खाने से एसिडिटी हो जा रही है या मौसमी का जूस पीने के बाद दिक्कत होती है, ऐसे केस में आप बहुत ज्यादा हाईली सिट्रिक फ्रूट नहीं खाएंगे। एंड जितनी भी चीजें, जैसे हम सुबह उठने के बाद एक रूटीन कर सकते हैं कि सुबह उठा, आपने गर्म पानी के साथ 1 से 2 लहसुन की पीस खा लिया, जिंजर आपने अपने काढ़े में डालना शुरू कर दिया, दही थोड़ा खा सकते हैं, लेकिन ऑब्वियसली जिनको सर्दी जुकाम है वो अवॉइड करेंगे। बहुत ज्यादा दही का इंटेक भी सही नहीं है, क्योंकि मौसम भी थोड़ा बदला है, और अगर आपको खांसी हो जाती है या गले में खराश हो जाता है तो वी हैव टू कंट्रोल इट। तो दिन में 1 बार आपने कभी दोपहर में रायता खा लिया या छाछ पी लिया, दैट विल डू। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, जो आप खाना बना रहे हैं उसमें हल्दी अगर आप डाल रहे हैं, कच्ची हल्दी इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं तो वो करिए। हाई प्रोटीन रखिए अपनी डाइट। बॉडी में हमेशा जो आपका ग्रोथ या रिपेयर या मेंटेनेंस होगा, इस समय आपके बॉडी को जैसी भी इम्यूनिटी है थोड़ा आपको अपस्केल करना है, बढ़ाना है इम्यूनिटी, और अपनी बॉडी में प्रोटीन ज्यादा देना है, क्योंकि यही आपके बॉडी में रिपेयर का काम करेगा। तो जब भी देयर इज इन्फेक्शन, आपकी बॉडी उससे लड़ेगी और अपने आप को रिपेयर करेगी। तो हाई प्रोटीन लेना है। प्रोटीन में बहुत सारी चीजें हम इंडियन हाउस होल्ड में खाते हैं, जैसे दाल है, बेसिक है, दाल 3 टाइम बनाइए, कभी स्प्राउट्स खा लीजिए, अंकुरित चना जो हम बना के खाते हैं, या कई लोग जो सत्तू लेते हैं, छाछ में सत्तू डाल के पी सकते हैं। कुछ नए सुपर फूड्स भी आ चुके हैं, जैसे एमरंथ है, उसको लोग कई जगह राजगिरा, चुलाई वगैरह बोलते हैं, या किनुआ है, ओट्स है, एग्स है, फिश है, चिकन है। इन सब चीज को खा के आप अपने डाइट में प्रोटीन रख सकते हैं। नाउ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट,
So Vidhi, one request is coming. We have people from South also. So if
Yeah,
you
yeah.
can mostly use English, then it will be better.
Okay, there is no problem. Okay, so now the next thing is कि generally जिनका भी CT scan, if there is any problem in the CT scan, if there is infection, if there is mild infection or severe infection, so there you need to work on the clotting that is happening in the lungs. क्योंकि एक बार if the clotting is increasing, if there is a lot of problem with the CT scan, or there is the drop in the SpO2 level, so this will in turn lead to the death of the person also, and this is the basic reason why there are a lot of fatality rates that we are listening about. So what all you can take? Definitely you can, we will give you a recipe coming forward in the presentation. So you take turmeric, pepper, garlic is very nice. Garlic should be daily taken in the morning routine. You can take it with the warm water or lukewarm water. Apart from that, the very good fruit should be taken when your lung is not working nicely or the CT scan report has not come fine lately, is pineapple. Because pineapple has an enzyme bromelain which will effectively prevent the blood clot. And apart from that, all the leafy greens, if you are able to get spinach from somewhere, yeah, generally whatever we eat, like methi khate hain, palak khate hain, bathua khate hain, all these things if inculcated in your diet will be very nice, because these leafy green vegetables have a very nice blood thinning capacity. So they will avoid all kind of blood clots that is forming in your body. Now, antioxidant rich food should be taken. Basically, if you have vegetables or salads for 2 times, and if you have fruits for 2 times, it will give you good amount of antioxidants. But there are few food which have very good amount of antioxidants like lemon and tomatoes, then broccoli, apple. If you are having green tea in your routine, which can be taken twice at least daily, turmeric and walnuts. So whenever you wake up, just make it a routine that you will at least have half walnut after having your warm water with garlic. Now coming on next, if your SpO2 level is dripping down day by day, or if you want to maintain the SpO2 level, you can have a lot of fluid. First, the basic necessity is that we already are knowing that it's summer and it's very hot nowadays. For every adult, that means everybody who is above 18 years of age should always consume at least 2.5 liters of water. If you're not consuming that much of water, the body's electrolyte balance will be lost. You will have severe imbalance. Apart from that, there will be a lot of dehydration. We already know there are a lot of cases of diarrhea during the COVID problem. So take at least 2.5 liters of water. After that, you can obviously have beetroot in your salad. You can start having nuts. Bhale hi aap kaju, badam, pista, akhroat, munakka, whatever you want to have it all. A fistful can be taken throughout the day. Make your diet very rich in iron, because if there is a low amount of iron, and then there can be low amount of hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is only carrying the oxygen throughout your blood. So all the iron rich food can be taken. Let's say that if you have kiwi, or if you have spinach, or if you have sprouts, these all things will be providing good amount of iron. You can daily have pomegranate, that is anar, in your routine. Apart from that, make sure that daily in the evening, whenever we are having tea, we generally take, as a, we have a lot of biscuits, ya namkeen, ya chips, etc. Yeah, nowadays we also tend to drink cold drinks or any sweetened drink that is not very good for health. Make sure you are having green tea. If you want to have it in cold form, mix a little honey and mint leaves in it. After that, with it, in combination of it, you can always have thoda sa sprouts or have thoda sa nuts. If you don't want to have that, have thoda sa popcorn, but don't get the popcorn from the market which has a lot of butter and ghee in it. Get the जो मक्के के दाने आते हैं आपके मार्केट में, get that, make it at home. And apart from that, you can have roasted chana. So whatever you are eating, as close as you keep your eating habits close to nature and natural form, your body will always be very healthy. So this is the basic thing that we have to keep in our mind. Now, the one thing, the one recipe that we generally ask a lot of people to have is ginger turmeric tea. Why this is a very good combination? Because it always cures your inflammation. If anybody is having severe congestion, if anybody who is having COVID is unable to breathe nicely, is not able to speak a lot, is running short of breath, you always ask them to give ginger turmeric tea in the routine if they are home isolated. Obviously, we don't have control over the people who are in the hospitals, but this can be given to the people who are in home isolation. It's very easy. Take a glass of water and then you have to add a small grated ginger. If tuber is available, it will be very good. After that, you also add a grated turmeric tuber. In case turmeric tuber is not available, we can use turmeric powder, but turmeric powder should never be boiled. After that, in this mixture, you can add a pinch of cinnamon powder or a cinnamon stick, and you can add a pinch of nutmeg powder and bay leaf, जो हम generally घर में तेज पत्ता कहते हैं. Add everything in a glass of water and give it a boil for 1 to 2 minutes. After that, you sieve it. You can add a pinch of pepper. And after that, if you did not have turmeric tuber, you add a pinch of turmeric powder. If you want to give it a little sweetening, you can add stevia. But if stevia is not available, just have it in kadha form. And I feel कि हम लोग generally इतने time से काढ़ा पी रहे हैं कि we are very comfortable now with drinking kadha, so you can take this. To the people who want to strengthen the lungs, Even before having COVID, yeah, even people who are having COVID or people who are recovering from the COVID, all of you should have this magic drink. What it is very easy, and you can do what? Just take a glass of water. In this, again, you have to add one small 1-inch ginger nut. After that, you can add a small piece of turmeric. To this, you have to add cinnamon stick. You have to add star anise, half teaspoon of coriander. If coriander seeds is not available, you can use fresh coriander leaves. You have to boil it, sieve it, and drink it. This will help you to flush away the toxins from the lungs. As we all know, there is a lot of pollution. There is indoor pollution, outdoor pollution. We eat a lot of things that have a lot of toxins and chemicals that start accumulating in our body. So to flush these toxins, to keep your lungs very much strengthened, you can have this drink as well. And there are few do's and don'ts during the COVID that you should remember. The main diet focus that COVID patients should have, that they should plan the plate very nicely. If obviously if the patient is in hospital, then we don't have a proper control. But if the patient is home isolated or is trying to recover, what all things we can have? We can have a good amount of carbohydrate because it is giving us the energy very quickly. So you keep the rotis, but if you change the grains, if you give ragi or oats or amaranth, that will be very nice. Giving a chicken or fish, egg, paneer, whatever is easily available protein will also be a very good idea. So always make sure that in each meal, if we are having 3 basic meals, in each meal you are giving at least a katori dal, yeah, you are giving thoda sa paneer, whatever is comfortably available. If not that, at least make sure that you are giving sprouts or you're giving sattu or you're making nothing. So you just take curd and mix oats in it, or just take milk and you can mix oats in it or amaranth in it. So these are the various ways how we can generally work on the protein intake, right? Apart from that, the food, whichever oil you have been using, make sure that you are using mustard oil or olive oil for now, because a lot of people use different oils, which I personally feel is very much in interest with the market strategies. So you should use mustard oil, olive oil for quite some time, at least 3 months from now. And after that, make sure that you are whenever you are having any fruit, make sure you are mixing a lot of colors. Like we can add yellow color by eating mango, we can add green color by eating grapes, and then we can add red color by eating watermelon. The criteria and the idea behind why we are adding such colors is that by adding different colors, we'll get different antioxidants, which is very necessary currently at the moment, right? Apart from that, if you are running on shortening of taste, you're not getting any taste, make sure you are adding thoda sa amchur powder. Yeah, you're adding lemon to your food so that you are getting a little taste. People who are suffering from COVID, who are COVID positive, are not very comfortable with eating. So you can give a lot of liquid diet. जैसे हमारे घरों में क्या बनता है, दाल है, खिचड़ी है, porridge है, ये चीजें आप ज्यादा खिला दो. थोड़ा सा dark chocolate you can give to people, so that people who are feeling a lot of anxiety, you can curb the anxiety. You can also work on the immunity. And people who are suffering from COVID, make sure they are having very easily digestible food, because their digestion is also very weak. So you can obviously give them curd, but you make the foods that are, or even if you are making vegetable, make it with a lot of puree so that it is easily digestible. Now we have also made a diet chart that you can particularly give to the people who are suffering from COVID. I guess I will share this diet chart with Ravinder sir, because I don't think the whole slide is visible in this one. Just give me a second, I'll check if the whole slide is visible. So Okay, no, I guess the whole slide won't be visible to you. So I'll just take you through it. कि in the breakfast आप क्या कर सकते हो, make easy digestible चीजें, जैसे उपमा बना दिया, चीला बना दिया, या जो हम लोग घर पे जवे बनाते हैं, आप लोग नमकीन सेवैया कहते हो, या इडली है, फर्मेंटेड फूड भी देना जरूरी है। साथ में आपने कभी हल्दी दूध दे दिया, या जो काढ़ा मैंने बताया वो दे दिया। In lunch, you can give amaranth, ragi. Keep changing, keep experimenting with the food. Add whenever you are giving any lunch wala diet, so make sure you are giving roti, you are giving dal, you are giving thoda sa salad, and you are is somebody is willing to have thoda sweet something. So give a very minimal amount of anything sweet. Good can be a better substitute, what we call as jaggery. तो थोड़ा सा गुड़ या जागरी दे सकते हो आप, या फिर you give a little chocolate. In the evening, make sure they are having the immunity boosting things, like I gave you 2 recipes of kadha, you can give that. In dinner, again, you give a very balanced diet. If at all people want, you can give them khichdi, give them paneer. Paneer ka again we make bhurji of paneer, which is very easy to intake. Apart from that, if somebody likes eggs, you give them boiled eggs or give them egg curry. Whoever likes chicken or fish or non-vegetarian food, make sure you are eating it by 7:30, because again, if you have a lot of chicken or eggs or fish, it will be hard to digest. Now, there are also few people who are very worried about the kids who are 10 years or younger. So I just want to bring it in your knowledge that the kids who are of 10 years or younger than that are, even if they are coming in contact with the people who are getting COVID positive, they won't have the infection. It's very less. The percentage of infection for kids is 1% or below. If the kid is 10 years or younger than that, and they can have like the fever for 1 or 2 days, and then they'll be all fine. So if you want to work for the kid, they ask them to eat fruits and salads. And right now, because the children are at home and they are not going to schools, they are not socializing, they are not playing, so there can be change in the mental health of the child. They can get very irritated, they can nag a lot, they can have the changes in the appetite. So you ask your child to eat in small gaps, and you also make sure that you are eating in small gaps at every 2 to 3 hours. So if there is any health related query, you can always reach out to us. I have made sure that you have our contact number. This is the official contact number where you can contact us. Then I have also attached our official Instagram ID, so you can also follow us if you are on Instagram. So this is the whole presentation that I wanted to share with you, and I hope that you all, whichever doubts you all had, that is a little clear to you. Now, if there are few questions, Amrita, we can take up that. Okay, I don't know if I'm the host. Maybe I need to unmute somebody. Just give me a second.
Amrita
Okay.
have unmuted herself.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'm unmute now. Thank you. Yeah, that's
Most
quite
welcome,
an
Amrita.
quite
Amrita,
exhaustive slide.
I'm sorry to interrupt. Can you also
Yes, ma'am.
unmute
Shreya is
Shreya
unmuted.
Singh?
Yeah, Shreya, we have already unmuted.
Okay. Thank
Shreya, can you hear me? Shreya, I have unmuted you. You just unmute yourself. Shreya ji, you can hear me?
I'm unable. Yeah, it is unmuted now.
Good. Yeah, Prita.
Am I audible?
Yeah, you are
Yeah,
perfectly audible. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am, for so
Yeah,
much.
I can hear you.
Yeah, that's we can see how much effort you must have put in the slide, and I think people are actually benefited from this. And please, I request everyone, you go through the slide, you go through the diet chart, and please follow as she has indicated. And whatever doubts you have in that, or the things that you were not following earlier, you can follow them now, as you can get the good health at the earliest. And before we move to the people here, I just have in general some questions. Ma'am, could you suggest what are the proper timings should be there for the meals? like people are not feeling so well, right? So they're like, sometimes they are willing to eat and sometimes they're not willing to eat, so their timings might be disturbed because of that. So please tell us the proper timings for the meals, for the breakfast and the lunch, for the duration, so that they can take the benefit maximum from their routines. Okay, and also a query is there about it ki people in isolation or those who have recovered from the COVID are feeling a lot of weakness as in they can barely walk to their washrooms. So in that case, when people are feeling so weak, what anything special or anything extra they can take into their diets, like whatever you have told, these are the like immunity boosters or the proper diet chart is there. And so can you please suggest with the proper timings what extra they could do in their diets if they are feeling that weak?
Right.
Thank you.
So that is certainly a frequently asked question, Amrita. First,
Yes.
what we need to understand ki any nutritionist or any health expert should not tell you कि आपको किस time खाना है. That should be your personal choice. Let's say if I wake up at 7, I will have different timings. If somebody is waking up at 8 or 9 or something, so they will have different timings of eating. What should be made sure throughout your routine that you, whenever you wake up, after waking up in the first 15 minutes, you should have something. And no matter you have a glass of water, make sure you're not having cold water. And I forgot to address a very important factor right now. Ki we know that summers are here and we are very well acquainted at our places. We will tend to drink cold water, ya fridge ka pani, barf ka pani. That has to be strictly avoided in this season at least. Apart from that, coming back to the question where you asked what should be the timing, in first 15 minutes you have to have something, because your body is a machine and your body will start working with the amount of stored energy. So we don't want that. In first 15 minutes, if you drink water and after that you can have nuts or whatever to kickstart your day, you can have garlic with warm water, whatever is completely feasible to you. After following this routine, every 2 to 3 hours you should eat something. And it is very important, especially for the North Indians. I'll tell you why. Because what the North Indians do, they use a lot of spices. They use a lot of unrefined flour, which is not happening in South India or East India or West India. This is basically for the people who live in Delhi and Haryana and UP and Uttarakhand. All these people, we use a lot of spices. So for us, it is very essential that we have 2 to 3 hours pay any meal. Make major 3 meals: breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Breakfast can be taken between 9 to 10:30, maximum 11. After that, whatever is your mid morning routine, around 11:30 to 12:30, you have fruit or salad or kadha or whatever. After that, between 1:30 to 3:30, you should have your lunch. Post that, an evening routine should be followed where we are used to having tea or some sharbats or whatever. So you can have that between 4:30 to 5:30. If you're having early dinners, if you're used to having dinner at around 7:30 or 8, which I am very well versed with, many of are not. So at around 6:30, you have maybe a fruit juice that is very fresh, or a vegetable juice, or salad, or right now we are getting these cucumbers, etc. We can have that, and then after that we'll have our dinner. Whatever time you are giving to your dinner, make sure that at least after 2 hours you are sleeping and giving your body ample amount of time to digest that food. Now you're coming to your second question, that yes, people are feeling very lethargic, and it is because of 2 reasons. One, they have undergone a very critical disease. Second, there is a very high dosage of medications they are taking regularly. So it has some implications on the health. First thing is, as I said very clearly, that the intake of protein needs to be increased. Whatever is your weight, into 0.8 you should do, and that much gram protein you should have. But obviously it will complicate your calculations. So क्या करना है, पूरे दिन में कम से कम 3 कटोरी दाल, right? Apart from that, have sprouts, ample amount of moong dal sprouts, ankurit chana. If you are good at having sattu, even if you are not good at having sattu, take छाछ. अगर congestion बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं है, if you have recovered from COVID and there is not a lot of congestion and you have been having stable SpO2 level for 3 or 4 days, you can take छाछ and mix 1 से 2 चम्मच सत्तू in it with 2-3 drops of lemon, थोड़ा जीरा पाउडर and drink it. Oats हर घर में आजकल मिलता है. Make oats का उपमा, make oat masala oats, or keep oats in milk or curd. So these are the various things. The protein that has to be obviously increased as compared to the amount you were taking it. रोज घर में कभी छोले, कभी पनीर, कभी राजमा, कभी चना, कभी लोबिया बनना जरूरी है. Don't take it occasional कि अच्छा आज कुछ अलग खाना है तो आज राजमा चावल बनेगा. You have to daily inculcate it. दोपहर के टाइम पे start having it. The people who are having eggs, make sure you are having at least 4 egg whites daily. The people who are eating chicken, 250 grams of chicken can be taken during the evening time or at the lunch time. So this is the first thing, that you have to increase the amount of protein. The 4 vital supplements that I told, that is not only for prevention or during COVID. वो आप अभी से 3 महीने तक लेते रहो जब तक you are not vaccinated, because that will only trigger the internal hormonal responses in your body. 2.5 to 3 liters of water should be taken daily. The people who are still feeling कि I have this loss of taste or something, घर में शरबत बना लो. मतलब if somebody is obviously not diabetic, then they can use this नींबू पानी, चीनी, नमक वाला जो भी make electrolyte solution. Make sure you are having either you are having ORS or you are having coconut water to make a proper electrolyte balance. क्योंकि dehydration भी body में है, your body is not having good amount of oxygen, so you will fall very frequently, you will fall sleepy, you will not be able to walk. But understand that your body will need some time to recover from what you have gone. So you need to give it 1 महीना 1.5 महीना देना पड़ेगा. And daily routine में सुबह and शाम do deep breathing exercise. That will be very, very necessary. And one more tip, because your body can be very acidic, तो ये जो पानी जब भी आप पीते हो, make sure that you are mixing it with your saliva so that your body is getting alkaline time to time. Make sure if you're not having problem by lemon, you are mixing lemon into everything, because lemon can be citric, but when it goes into body, it will be alkaline. So this can be done. Amrita, you are mute right now.
Yeah, sorry for that. Ma'am, going back to the same question, I have a different version of that. Some of our family members are doing night shifts in their jobs. Okay, right, and mostly in private sector it's happening. So is there anything different the people who are doing night shifts they should do, or the same routine that we have for the day persons they can follow, or anything different they could inculcate in their diet?
For the people who are doing work in night shift, they should just understand one thing and their body will be fine. That because we are moving away from the shift like your ancestral bodies were working. We were used to, wake up with the sunrise and sleep with the sunset. So whenever genetically your body is having a routine and you're moving apart from it, your body will tend to work differently. And that is why you need to put more potential as compared to the people who are working in the day shift. So first thing, whatever time you are going to sleep should be your night. And after that, you should straight away take 6 to 8 hours of sleep. What the people in night shift do कि अच्छा ठीक है अभी सो जाते हैं, 4 घंटे बाद उठ जाएंगे, फिर कुछ खा लेंगे घर में बना होगा, फिर 4 घंटे सो जाएंगे. That causes a lot of hormonal imbalance and increase in the stress hormone cortisol. So this should not be done. Whatever time you are sleeping, make sure straight away you are sleeping 6 to 8 hours. After that, whatever time you are waking up should be your morning according to your calendar, right? And then after that, you start doing all the routine. And for the people who are working in the night shift, I will particularly ask them to start working out for 150 minutes in a week. It is very essential for them. Otherwise, the body tends to increase a lot of weight and there is hypertension, a lot of stress. So 150 minutes should be dedicated by the people who are working in night shift.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, the people who are into exercises and work out a lot, like more than usual. They give like 1.5 hours into exercises. What time duration difference should be there between the meals and their actual exercise duration? Like how much difference should be there? Either like this should be in the morning only, or they can take up easily in the evening. So like how much the time before they should be taking their meals?
Okay, अमृता, first of all, ये सबसे बड़ा confusion है. लोगों को लगता है कि हम अगर एक दिन में, मतलब like people generally come to us and they say कि एक दिन में मेरा 500 ग्राम कम हो गया था वेट, अभी मैंने 7 दिन डाइट की है, तो 7 into 500, तो 3-3.5 किलो कम हो जाना चाहिए, right? So we cannot accommodate all this mathematics with biology, right? Because body is a very complex machine, and you should push it only to the extent you can. So first, people who are working out for more than needed, I will always ask everybody, कोई भी लॉजिक नहीं है आपका 1-1.5 घंटे एक्सरसाइज करने का. Your good routine can be 40-45 minutes, maximum 1 hour of exercise. That is more than enough. Because when you start working out for more than 1 hour, you only deteriorate in the amount of muscle in the body. So first, stop working out for such rigorous hours. 1 घंटे से ज्यादा किसी हालत में आप मत करो एक्सरसाइज. People who work out should take care कि before working out they are working on the metabolic property of the body. तो आपको अगर हाइपरटेंशन नहीं है, ऑब्वियसली तब आप ब्लैक कॉफी पी के जा सकते हो. अगर हाइपरटेंशन है तो यू जस्ट कैरी वाटर बॉटल विद यू, कीप सिपिंग वाटर. अब ऐसे केस में द पीपल हु आर वर्किंग आउट, पीपल विल देयर जिम इंस्ट्रक्टर्स एटसेट्रा विल ऑलवेज आस्क कि आप प्रोटीन पाउडर लीजिए, प्रोटीन शेक लीजिए. I will not ask that for a women to do. In males also, if you are not having any underlying condition in your body, then you can have protein powders. You can take 1 scoop, that is 30 gram protein. You can take daily. Externally जो आप supplements ले रहे हो, नहीं लेना चाहते हो आप, तो घर का प्रोटीन, high amount of protein ले लो. जैसे you will have to shift to quinoa, you will have to take a lot of amaranth, you will have to start taking spirulina, that is a supplement जो आजकल available है. omega 3 fatty acids के supplement लिए जा सकते हैं. So these things can be taken by the people who are working out. But as I've already said it, कि supplements उतना ही necessary है जितना आपका fooding habit आपको नहीं दे पा रहा है. So as close you are taking your fooding habits near to protein rich diet, that will work. Apart from that, the people who are working out should always take a B complex का कोई भी supplement, because otherwise they'll feel very lethargic. So there is a very good supplement, Neurobion Forte, which can be taken daily. 1 capsule can be taken. It is very inexpensive. Apart from that, vitamin D3, if taken in good amount, is necessary. So vitamin D3, depending on your body, you can always check with your physician or your health expert, and that can be taken. So these are general guidelines for the people working out.
Thank you, ma'am. That's a great help for the healthy people, in fact, because these days over exercising is also very much in trend. Okay, the last question from me is, then we will switch to people. Actually, we have discussed so far what we have to do. Please throw some light over the question, what not to do or what not to eat in this pandemic time, which shouldn't be done. Definitely, we should not do this. Like, that is very harmful to us these days.
So this is like one of my favorite topic, always talking about what not to eat, because then I get like various options, because the generation has developed in a way where we are always getting food in one tap. I also know that sometimes I will tell you a history. When I used to work where I met Ravinder sir, so that place was in an area where when I used to walk down through the streets, there were n number of places to eat. And obviously यार मैं भी इंसान हूँ, I also feel कि अच्छा ये खा लेते हैं, अच्छा वो खा लेते हैं, and there is a lot of craving. So first thing we need to, that is why work on ये simple rule कि why you should eat every 2 hours, because when you eat every 2 hours you'll be full, and then to some extent you will curb your craving. It is very important कि हम लोग क्या करते हैं ना, बदलते वक्त के साथ अपने आप को बदल लेते हैं, but all the good habits that we have developed during the change of time, we tend to skip it. So we don't have to skip it. Matlab right now, because we are in lockdown and we know that there will be very little resources available, we cannot order a lot of food, we are afraid to order a lot of food. Why we are afraid to order a lot of food? Because we are getting a disease that can happen all of a sudden, and all of a sudden it can show various tremendous effects in our body negatively. But even if we are ordering bahar ka khana, it will increase the cholesterol, it will increase your blood pressure, it will increase your weight, and it is not contributing to any nutritive factor. तो आपको बाहर का खाना है, make sure you have made. I will always be very miser in telling कि कितना cheat day आपको मिलना चाहिए. I'll always keep it कि you take only 2 cheat days for the whole month, but your cheat day can be decided by you. If you like घर का खाना, बर्गर बनाना है, पिज्जा बनाना है, घर पे बना के खा लो, because you use good amount of good quality of oil. You can use refined flour, but when you make it fresh, it will be less worsening for your body. Where we forget that we are making mistakes is कि हम लोग को लगता है हम कुछ नहीं खा रहे बाहर का, but if I ask anybody of you, all of you will be having थोड़ा सा biscuit, namkeen and every packaged food घर पे, which was also a very big contributing factor. तो इसको बस उतना ही रखना है कि बाहर का कोई आए तो उसको थोड़ा सा दे दिया, अपने खाने के लिए नहीं रखना है. Make sure you are doing that. I'll not say कि बाहर के लोगों का ध्यान नहीं रखना है, but again talking to it very technically. Apart from that, because we are living a very sedentary life and considering कि आसपास बहुत सारा news है, बहुत सारी चीजें चल रही हैं, you should start working on your mental health, because you will not understand it and you'll just start feeling very depressed, or you'll feel a lot of sorrow. That is why it is very important that you have a lot of water. And it is obviously, without getting into the technical and the biological explanation of it, I will not be able to explain, but drinking good amount of water will keep you away from anxiety. Taking one piece of dark chocolate will keep you away from anxiety, not for the people who are diabetic. And apart from that, breathing exercise. Even if you like take 15 minutes of walk on your terrace or in your balcony, in your home, wherever you have proper ventilation, is very nice. So do that. क्योंकि हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, Netflix and chill कर रहे हैं, Amazon Prime पे बैठे हैं तो पूरा Amazon Prime देख गए, कुछ ना कुछ हम source of entertainment खोज रहे हैं for entertaining ourselves. But your mind, your eyes, your brain cannot be active for like 24 hours. So give it a proper rest. Take 6 to 8 hours of sleep. Put aside your phone 40 minutes before you sleep. Before sleeping, either you read a book or talk to the people in your family, or you can listen to very light music. These things will be of great help. Avoid any kind of, हम लोग salad खाते हैं, उस पे we put a lot of namak and chaat masala and everything. Avoid having that. It is very hygroscopic, and in women it leads to a lot of bloating and water retention. So this should be avoided. Apart from that, this is very essential. Don't believe on any WhatsApp forwards. Don't believe on Google University. Don't randomly read anything and everything and then think कि अच्छा ऐसा करना है क्या, वैसा करना है क्या, वैक्सीन लगाने से प्रॉब्लम होगी क्या, उसके साइड इफेक्ट्स प्रॉब्लमैटिक है क्या. Don't believe on everything that people are saying. Believe on something that a health expert is telling you. So this is like a need of the hour, and this can be completely contained in the routine.
Like, thank you, ma'am. Thank you for such a wonderful answer. And now I would like to have everyone on the board and please ask.
I will try to take it over. I have few questions some people have forwarded me. In fact, that was on the mind. I would like to ask Suvidi and Shreya. Is Shreya is there, no?
I guess she is here.
Okay, you both are there. Yeah, my question is, some people are asking, what about diabetic people? What kind of diet they should follow? And you have told everything. So in diabetic person, what to be avoided? Whatever diet you told, what minus out of them so that they can take care, they don't follow to a diabetic attack or something.
See, the diet I told was a very well thought diet, keeping in consideration all of the diseases. So anybody who's even having diabetes or even having any immune compromised problem, everybody can have that diet. For the people who are diabetic, should always take care that they are not having rice. They are not having wheat too frequently, क्योंकि हम लोग घर में wheat ही बनता है. And if you go back to the history, you will understand why wheat is administered in the North Indian homes. If you go anywhere else, you will find bajra and ragi and jowar. People are eating that. So you inculcate these things in your diet, because obviously it is gluten free and it will give you a lot of nutrition and calcium and help you with your body weight and your blood sugar level also. People who are diabetic should strictly take into account that even if they are very busy with their routine, they are not sleeping with half filled stomach, or they are not sleeping with empty stomach, because this, obviously you are having your diabetes ka medicine, and if you sleep like that, your sugar levels can fall. So don't do that. Apart from that, for diabetes patient, it is always asked that you keep monitoring your blood sugar level. So if you are doing that and having everything apart from starchy food like potato, arbi, जिमीकंद, शकरकंदी, ये सब अवॉइड करना है आपको. Even if you are having rice, which is obviously asked never to have, अगर कभी गलती से खा भी लिया तो मेक श्योर कि यू आर कॉम्पेंसेटिंग फॉर इट, कि अगर आपने राइस खा लिया तो उसके साथ यू आर हैविंग अ लॉट ऑफ सैलेड, हैविंग अ लॉट ऑफ फाइबर. So this will help. And strictly no to all the sweets, कि जो भी हम लोग घर में कई बार रस मलाई, रसगुल्ला खा लेते हैं, तो that should not be taken.
Another thing is कि many people have in the bank are either the forced bachelor or bachelor. Forced bachelor means they are being posted at different part of the country, although they live or belong to a different part of the country. So those bachelors are at a very high risk because they are attending branches, eating very less. They don't have a eating schedule. So what best they can do, because they mostly eat outside. So what best they should avoid in the open market to eat? That is the most important.
पर अभी आप मेरे से पूछोगे कि व्हाट इज द बेस्ट वे टू, कि अगर आग जल रही है उसमें हाथ चला गया, बट हाथ को बचाने का बेस्ट वे क्या है, तो इसका कोई बेस्ट वे नहीं है. द ओनली बेस्ट वे इज टेकिंग योर प्री कुक्ड फूड. डब्बा लेके जाओ खाने का, और कोई तरीका नहीं है. इजी चीजें लेके जाओ. पोहा बनाने में आई डोंट थिंक इतना टाइम लगता है, उपमा बनाने में आई डोंट थिंक इतना टाइम लगता है, क्योंकि दिस एट द पैंडेमिक सिचुएशन, इफ यू आर ईटिंग आउटसाइड, आपको नहीं पता है कौन खाना बना रहा है, आपको नहीं पता है वो किस हाइजीन से खाना बना रहा है, आपको नहीं पता है वो जिस ऑयल में आपका खाना बना रहा है वो किस क्वालिटी का ऑयल है, जो आटा उसने अपने पास डो करके रखा है वो आज का फ्रेश बना है वो आटा या 4 दिन पुराना आटा है. तो ईटिंग आउट इज ऑलवेज वेरी बैड, even if you are eating घर का बना खाना, because you are not knowing कि खाना कब कैसे बना है. You can have few things जो कि minimize कर देगा आपका बाहर का खाना. कोई अगर एग खाता है तो ऑब्वियसली एग बनाना, बॉइल्ड एग बनाना या ऑमलेट बनाना इज इजी. अदरवाइज जो ओट्स के पैकेट आते हैं, मसाला ओट्स का पैकेट आता है, दैट कैन बी टेकन. अगर आपको मिल्क पसंद है, मिल्क में आप अगर एमरेंथ डाल रहे हैं, ओट्स डाल रहे हैं, कॉर्नफ्लेक्स डाल रहे हैं, कई बार रागी बाइट्स और जौ फ्लेक्स आते हैं, वो डाल के आप खा सकते हैं. पॉरेज बना सकते हैं. पॉरेज बनाना बहुत इजी है. ओवरनाइट ओट्स बनाइए, कर्ड में ओट्स डाल के रात को फ्रिज में रख दीजिए, सुबह अपने साथ ले जाइए, या लंच के टाइम खा लीजिए, उसमें फ्रूट्स डाल के, नट्स डाल के, ये खाया जा सकता है. बट टू से कि बाहर खाने के साथ ऐसा क्या हो जाएगा कि दिक्कत ना हो, दिस इज नॉट गोइंग टू हैपन. डायरेक्शन यही रहेगा कि आप जितना हेल्दी खाओगे उतना हेल्दी आपका शरीर रहेगा. साथ में आपको ये जो काढ़ा बताया है, जो सप्लीमेंट्स बताए, वो आप लेते रहोगे तो आप थोड़ा सेफ ज्यादा रहोगे.
I think you have hit the bull size with that answer. What about those people who have a fatty liver or are having a kidney disease, because you are recommending protein? So protein is, as you know, very for the person with a kidney problem, they have to take in limited quantities. So what about those people who are suffering with kidney disease and those with fatty liver? These are two separate things, but you can choose to answer.
Yeah. So, sir, first, in the case of fatty liver, you need to work on your toxins, right? अगर लिवर की प्रॉब्लम में आप इजीली डाइजेस्टेबल प्रोटीन खाते हो, जैसे पनीर खा लेते हो, लेकिन अगेन नॉट इन अ लॉट वेरी हाई अमाउंट्स, राइट? दाल पी लेते हो, ये डाइजेस्ट हो जाएगा. दाल बहुत इजी है डाइजेस्ट होने के लिए. खिचड़ी खा लेते हो, डाइजेस्ट हो जाएगा. सत्तू पी लेते हो, डाइजेस्ट हो जाएगा, राइट? वहां पे फैटी लिवर में डाइजेशन में प्रॉब्लम आएगी जो आपने थोड़े हेवी प्रोटीन्स ले लिए, जैसे चिकन खा लिया है, राइट? सम केसेस इन फैटी लिवर also you can easily digest egg whites, right? But if you are eating छोले, राजमा, लोबिया, चने, तो ये डाइजेस्ट करने में दिक्कत होगा. तो दैट इज बॉडी टू बॉडी डिपेंडेंट. यू विल हैव टू टेक इनटू नोट कि आप क्या कर रहे हो. फैटी लिवर के केस में लिवर पे ज्यादा ध्यान देना है, तो आपको क्या करना है? पानी ऑब्वियसली ज्यादा पीना है. ऑयल का अमाउंट कम कर दीजिए. हम लोग क्या करते हैं, बहुत सारा ऑयल डाल के खाना बनाते हैं, सब्जी बनाते हैं. ऑयल जरा सा डालना है, पानी डाल के उस खाने को पकाइए, so that you can easily recover. Now coming to the kidney problem. For kidney problem, there are very specific diets. तो एक जनरलाइज्ड आइडिया देना मुश्किल हो जाता है, क्योंकि अलग अलग लोगों में अलग अलग आयंस बढ़े होते हैं, अलग लोगों में किसी का क्रेटिनिन बढ़ा है, किसी का केवल मैग्नीशियम बढ़ा है, किसी का फॉस्फोरस इम्बैलेंस हो रहा है. तो फॉर किडनी प्रॉब्लम्स आई विल ऑलवेज आस्क यू टू कंसल्ट अ डाइटिशियन, अ न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट और योर डॉक्टर एंड गेट an idea ki what all you can eat considering what is the current parameter of the body.
One of our person have asked us ki doctors are recommending Zincovit for zinc and multivitamin. So should we take them in normal course of time? Matlab when we are healthy also that
Zincovit is good. I am also having Zincovit. It can be taken. लेकिन जो हम लोग ये करते हैं ना, मल्टीविटामिन मल्टी मिनरल लेते हैं, उसमें आपका जिंक केवल 10 mg होता है. Zincovit में ample amount of zinc है, लिया जा सकता है. That is no problem.
I now believe कि we have some people who will like to ask something. So I open the forum. Anybody who want to ask in a very, very proper way, kindly can unmute yourself, because I put now everybody can unmute. One by one we should ask. We should not crowd the space by asking. एक एक करके आप लोग सवाल पूछ सकते हैं. कोशिश कीजिएगा एक बार में दो लोग ना बोलें, एक एक करके. Then Raji and Subidhi ji will answer.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, sir.
Ma'am, this is Rudraj. Ma'am, I want to ask कि I'm taking a proper diet, खुद बना रहा हूँ, खाना खा रहा हूँ. But I got COVID positive in last year in August. And after that, I felt like something कि doctors ने बोला है कि जब भी आपको बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब yellow urine हो रहा है, so it means कि your kidney is somewhere affected. So when we drink a lot of water, बहुत सारे लोग ये कह रहे हैं कि आप गर्म पानी पीते हो या ऐसा गर्म चीज लेते हो, वो भी किडनी को डैमेज करता है. तो ये काफी तक सही है? और उसको जो मेरे को येलो यूरिन बहुत ज्यादा हो रहा है, I'm noticing during this period.
As I got your question, I got your concern. As I said, लोगों की बात पे विश्वास नहीं करना है, राइट? क्यों नहीं करना है? क्योंकि लोग इधर उधर से कुछ भी पढ़ के आएंगे. अभी जो 4 दिन पहले लोग बोल रहे थे बिकॉज ऑफ कि 2G से हम 3G यूज करने लगे, 3G से 4G यूज करने लगे, इसलिए इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक फील्ड्स खराब हो रही हैं, दैट इज व्हाई वायरस आ रहा है. People talk anything and everything, and even if somebody is telling you, ask the logic behind it. कि गर्म पानी पीने से क्यों दिक्कत होगा? हाँ, ये जरूर प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है कि if you are having very yellow urine, आपका bilirubin बढ़ा हो सकता है. But we can only confirm that if you have undergone your blood test report. तो आप किडनी फंक्शन टेस्ट एक अपना करा लीजिए, डॉक्टर से सलाह मशवरा लीजिए, क्योंकि अगेन बिना किसी रिपोर्ट के बताना कि आपका किडनी ठीक काम कर रहा है कि नहीं कर रहा है इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट. एंड डोंट गो ऑन व्हाट पीपल आर सेइंग. आपको गर्म पानी पीना पसंद है, कोसा पानी बस पीना पसंद है, आप पीजिए, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है उसमें.
Okay, thank you.
Take lot of water and also get your entire body medical done, because bank is providing a facility to go for the medical on the bank cost. So do it, huh?
Okay.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Hello.
Yeah,
Good evening, ma'am.
sir. Good evening.
Ma'am, I want to know that actually gallstone है मुझे.
Nikku,
Last
please
July.
be loud.
हाँ मैम, gallstone के लिए gall bladder में stone है, तो what food we should avoid or what food we should take? Because डॉक्टर ने अभी तो बोला है कि बिना मसाला का सब कुछ खाना है, तो मैं सिंपल फूड खा रहा हूँ. तो मतलब अभी क्या वीकनेस थोड़ा बढ़ते जा रहा है, मतलब अभी स्पेशली जब से ये लिया है वैक्सीनेशन का फर्स्ट डोज लिया, उसके बाद वीकनेस ज्यादा बढ़ गया है. तो अभी मुझे मसाला वाली चीज तो खानी नहीं है, तो मैं क्या ये जैसे बोला गया कि नॉन वेज भी नहीं खाना, तो आप क्या सजेस्ट करते हो कि मुझे क्या खाना चाहिए अभी, मतलब वीकनेस थोड़ा कम करने के लिए?
गॉल ब्लैडर में अभी आपके स्टोन है या गॉल ब्लैडर रिमूव हो गया है?
अभी स्टोन है मैडम, 14 mm का स्टोन अभी भी है. सिंस अभी सिचुएशन ठीक नहीं है तो मैं ऑपरेट नहीं करवा रहा हूँ,
कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है सर. आपको
मतलब
बस क्या करना है, टमाटर, भिंडी, जिन भी चीज में बीज होता है वो चीजें नहीं खानी है, राइट? बैंगन नहीं खाना है. मसाला कम करने को हमेशा सब लोग बोलते हैं कि थोड़ा ब्लैंड फूड खाइए, तो आपको ऐसा नहीं है कि मसाला कम करने से कोई भी दिक्कत होगा. या आपको थकान या कमजोरी मसाला कम करने से लगेगी, ऐसा नहीं है। आप कहाँ पे रहते हैं?
मैं भिलाई,
हाँ सर,
भिलाई छत्तीसगढ़, भिलाई।
छत्तीसगढ़ में रहते हैं, ओके। तो छत्तीसगढ़ का कुछ रीजनल फूड होता होगा, रीजनल फूड जो भी है, जैसे अब यहाँ पे क्योंकि आई बिलोंग फ्रॉम उत्तर प्रदेश, तो यहाँ पे सत्तू है, चना है, लोग ऐसी चीजें खाते हैं। जो भी आप खा रहे हैं, आप पनीर खा लीजिए, थोड़ा पनीर इजी है। दाल पीजिए, दाल को बॉइल्ड दाल पीजिए, उसमें आप थोड़ा सा तड़का लगाना चाहते हैं तो जीरे का, हींग का तड़का लगा लीजिए। ये प्रोटीन वाली चीजों को खा के आप अपनी बॉडी के एनर्जी पे काम कर सकते हैं, आपका बॉडी काम करता रहेगा। मसाला नमक खाने से बॉडी में एनर्जी नहीं बनती है। और दिक्कत लगे तो कोकोनट वाटर पी लीजिए, अगर
मैडम,
कोकोनट वाटर वहां मिलता है तो, नहीं तो घर में शरबत बना के पी लीजिए।
ओके मैम, थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
Vineet, you want to ask
Very
something?
good evening, ma'am. I am JPS Tawar calling from Mohali, Punjab.
हाय सर।
हाँ मैडम, मेरे को लास्ट ईयर कोविड हो गया था एंड कोविड काफी सीवियर हो गया था फर्स्ट वेव में। पहले नॉर्मल कोविड हुआ, फिर लंग्स इन्फेक्शन हो गया, आई वाज इन आईसीयू एंड ऑन वेंटिलेटर ऑल्सो। सब्सिक्वेंटली मैं रिकवर कर गया एंड उसके बाद मेरे को हार्ट में इश्यूज आने शुरू हो गए। मेरे हार्ट में स्टंट ब्लॉकेज आ गई और 3 स्टंट इम्प्लांट हो गए मेरे अभी। तो अभी मुझे डॉक्टर्स ने हार्ट बाईपास के लिए सजेस्ट किया हुआ है। एंड so what sort of a diet should I go for?
Sir, see, for these kind of conditions, you will have to talk to us personally. क्योंकि then we'll ask you to send your reports and we'll analyze, we'll talk to you, we'll ask your routine. तो ये एक क्रिटिकल कंडीशन है, यहाँ पे कोई एक ऐसी चीज नहीं है जो आप सही कर लोगे और प्रॉब्लम सही हो जाएगी। तो
basically I am on soluble fiber diet, that is जैसे कि ओट्स की डाइट होगी, soluble fiber डाइट्स है, सिंपल वही लेता हूँ मैं। और बैंक में जब जॉब पे जाता हूँ, आई हैविंग मेरे पास एक ओपन केटल है, उसमें ही मैं ओट्स का खाना बना लेता हूँ, दलिया को भी भून के बना लिया, बैंक में अंडे उबाल के खा लिए, पोटैटोस उबाल के खा लिए। आई नेवर ईट, बाहर का खाना नहीं खाता, मुझे डाइजेस्ट ही नहीं होता, उल्टी हो जाती है मेरे को।
हाँ, तो नहीं सर, ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर आप बाहर का खाना नहीं खा रहे हैं तो ही कोई ना कोई प्रॉब्लम आएगी। पोस्ट कोविड देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स जो बॉडी एडमिनिस्टर कर रहा है, राइट? तो यू नीड टू वर्क अकॉर्डिंगली फॉर योर बॉडी एंड फॉर दैट वी विल नीड योर ब्लड टेस्ट रिपोर्ट्स। ऐसे आपको बस वेगली बता देना कि ईट फाइबर्स, ईट फ्रूट्स, वेजिटेबल्स, दैट विल हेल्प, दैट बट दैट विल नॉट बी वेरी हेल्पफुल. So for these kind of problems, you will have to contact us on our number. I am sending you one official number in the chat box. I guess Ravinder sir को भी मैं भेज दूंगी, तो आप लोग उस पे contact करेंगे for the personal problems, क्योंकि ये generalized idea इस पे देना मुश्किल हो जाता है।
Very true, ठीक है जी, right, thank you.
Thank you sir.
Vineet,
ma'am.
thank you.
Sir, may I?
Yeah, please.
There is a hand way before. Nishant sir.
I'm sorry to interrupt sir. Everybody can check their chat box. यहाँ पे मैंने अपना official number send कर दिया है. Any kind of help you want from us, कि कोई chronic condition है तो आपको इस नंबर पे हमें अपना रिपोर्ट
भेजना पड़ेगा. I will share everything, whatever you share, your mail and everything which you will be updating. I will share everything.
Yeah. I will send it to you also.
I'll do.
Yeah, sir, please tell.
Ma'am, this is Nishant. Hello.
Yeah sir, hi.
Yeah, hi ma'am. Ma'am, जिससे कि ना अभी घर पर my mother and father was having that cardiac issues, है ना? My father is no more. We got the vaccination and everything. So for reducing our cholesterol and all, what diet should we should follow? Because I was also COVID positive, and right now sometimes I'm feeling very low. At early morning time, especially.
Sir, the basic guidelines will always be कि don't use more than 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil while you are cooking. Don't use extra ghee, any kind of trans fat like butter, etc. Use a few things that is improving your metabolic activity of the body, and that can be green tea, that can be the ginger turmeric tea that I suggested. Apart from that, try to routinely inculcate your dietary habits in a very nice way. You should not have your dinners very late or at the time when you are about to sleep, like in half an hour. So these are the basic and general ideas, as I already said. But to tell you कि कैसा diet लेना पड़ेगा, कोलेस्ट्रॉल को कैसे मैनेज करना पड़ेगा. फॉर दिस आई शुड हैव एन आइडिया अबाउट योर स्पेसिफिक बॉडी, about your specific blood routine, your blood work, and I should know कि पहले क्या problem थी, क्या improvement आपको चाहिए. उसके according there has to be a daily dietary recall. A generalized idea won't help much in reducing the amount of cholesterol. I will give you a very I will give you a very good help here. If daily early morning you wake up, you can have garam pani के साथ 1 से 2 लहसुन. That will be very nice to be matlab to do a start into such a thing. But apart from that, these things are a little specific for everybody.
Suvidhi ji, Nishant is based out of Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh. So I will ask him to contact you on mobile on Insta, and then probably he can take your help.
Let's connect.
What is this?
Okay. Vineet, you were trying to ask something, Vineet?
Yeah, ma'am. Actually, myself Vineet here. I'm from Lucknow, and I have been tested positive on 12th of April. And after I think 10 days of continuous fever of 102, I just got negative on 3rd of May. And after doing my body checkup, I just got to know that my bilirubin is quite increased. I'm having I think bilirubin of 9 right now, and triglycerides are quite on a higher side.
Bilirubin.
Cholesterol is on a higher side, and I'm again feeling a hell lot of weakness right now. So don't know how to cope up with this.
So as I told you, आपको protein intake बढ़ाना पड़ेगा. You are a vegetarian or a non-vegetarian?
Non-vegetarian.
Non-vegetarian. You start having eggs, egg whites. You have 3 egg whites daily. Yolk नहीं लेंगे आप, क्योंकि obviously the cholesterol level can get disturbed. Apart from that, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया कि प्रोटीन इंटेक बढ़ाइए. आप लखनऊ में आपको भी सत्तू पीने की आदत होती होगी. घर में सत्तू का पराठा या लिट्टी बनता होगा, तो सत्तू का पराठा बनवाइए या सत्तू छाछ में डाल के खाइए.
एक चीज और मैम, आई एम हैविंग अपसेट स्टमक राइट नाउ. 5 to 6 times or 7 or 8 times I am going to loo right now. The thing is
okay, you are okay. Then if there is this problem, you will have to work on your electrolyte balance. Daily 2 ग्लास आपको कोकोनट वाटर पीना पड़ेगा. ORS एक टाइम पी लीजिए. घर में कभी शरबत बना लीजिए. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, हैव बनाना, 3-4 बनाना एक दिन में, ताकि ये डायरिया के प्रॉब्लम थोड़ा कम हो जाए. जितना भी अगर आप कभी कभी सैलेड वगैरह खा ले रहे हैं, तो सैलेड वगैरह खाना अवॉइड करना है, so that you're not having raw fibers. And apart from that, थोड़ा सा प्रोटीन इंटेक बढ़ाइए. दाल पी लीजिए. दाल is the best and the easiest we can eat in Indian household.
Jaundice has been detected by 9.
Jaundice has been detected right now?
Yeah,
post-COVID. He's saying post-COVID.
But are you fine right now?
Ma'am, approx I think with a lot of weakness right on my bed.
No, I am asking that the jaundice problem, you are having the jaundice problem currently?
Yeah, currently, yes. On 4th, I got my report.
Okay, so avoid having milk then. In jaundice, you should not have milk because that can bring hormones into your body. You can avoid having milk, you can avoid having curd, etc. But have fermented food, जैसे इडली वगैरह अगर घर पे कोई बना दे, या थोड़ा सा जैसे उत्तपम कोई बना दे, तो you can have these things. अभी थोड़े टाइम अब पनीर खाइए. पनीर को अलग अलग फॉर्म में खाइए, ताकि इजीली डाइजेस्टेबल फूड भी खाना पड़ेगा आपको, और साथ में ऐसी चीजें भी खानी पड़ेंगी जो बहुत ठंडे तासीर की नहीं है.
There is one thing more. Last, actually, I think I am stretching more. It is the last thing that that tendency of a loo. Whenever I eat something, I just feel like I have to go to loo. Just that's why I am quite scared of having anything.
No. Don't be scared. आप Econom खरीद लो market से. That is a probiotic. It will help. Econom, ECORONM. That will help to improve your digestion. Why? अभी आपको कोविड हुआ है, फिर आपको जॉन्डिस हो गया है, तो आपका ऑब्वियसली डाइजेशन वीक होगा. कोविड के बाद लोगों को डायरिया या डाइजेशन प्रॉब्लम्स हो ही रही हैं. तो इकोनॉम लेके आपका स्टमक थोड़ा ठीक सेटल होने लगेगा. एंड दैट इज व्हाई आई एम सेइंग बनाना खाइए. कच्ची चीजें नहीं खाएंगे. स्प्राउट्स या सैलेड्स ये सब अवॉइड करेंगे.
ओके मैम.
गरम तासीर या बहुत ज्यादा ठंडा तासीर का खाना भी नहीं खाना है. बहुत हीट जनरेटिंग फूड जैसे कि अदरक है या दालचीनी है, काढ़ा वगैरह भी अभी आपको थोड़ा कम पीना है. स्टीम ले लीजिए, पर काढ़ा थोड़ा कम करिए.
Vineet, you have to take very much care because post-COVID pneumonia, post-COVID jaundice is थोड़ा harmful. Take care. Weakness will be there. COVID gives you heavy weakness. About 6 to 7 days, you will be feeling like you will not cannot even walk to the loo. But as soon as you eat healthy and take care of yourself, you will be fine. Now, Vikas Jha, you want to ask something? Vikas Jha, you there? Unmute yourself, Vikas. अपने को unmute कर लो.
सर नमस्ते, विकास बोल रहा हूँ. मैम नमस्ते.
नमस्ते सर.
हेलो.
हाँ बोलिए, सुनाई दे रहा है.
जी सर, बताएं.
मैम एक्चुअली the last 2 weeks back I was suffering from COVID positive and luckily the negative came on.
विकास तुम सुनाई नहीं दे रहे हो, म्यूट पे चले गए.
हेलो.
हाँ आप सुनाई दे रहे हो. फोन.
Yes, sir.
Yeah ma'am, my report came negative on 5th means yesterday.
बोलिए.
During this period I took a lot of medicine and all, and I did not had any blood sugar issues. But day before yesterday when I checked my blood sugar in the morning with in fasting position, it was 100. Can you please tell me that it may be due to COVID medicine and all, or what range should be there, or what diet I should take to bring back it to the normal?
Don't worry, sir. That can be a temporary change. You monitor your blood sugar level for 1 week daily, right? If for 1 week daily it is on the higher side, then you need to tell us, and then we need to bring some alterations, because obviously you are taking the medications. There are a lot of changes in the body internally. That's why there can be such fluctuations. If it is not permanently happening, that is not a problem.
So, ma'am,
what बीमार में स्टेरॉइड लिए थे?
नहीं सर, I was in the home isolation only, और normal rest.
फ्लूमेट्रॉल या मेट्रॉल कोई भी स्टेरॉइड नहीं लिया, ये बोल रहा हूँ.
नहीं कुछ नहीं लिया था सर मैंने. nothing.
देन सुविधि की बात है कि 1 हफ्ते तक अपनी ब्लड शुगर मॉनिटर करो, एंड इफ यू आर उसको तब भी बढ़े तो देन यू कांटेक्ट.
What will be the means range for the healthy people to have a blood sugar range?
For fasting, if you are doing it, you should first make sure that you are giving a gap of 8 to 9 hours minimum. When मतलब रात को खाने के बाद सुबह जब आप चेक कर रहे हो 8-9 घंटे का गैप होना चाहिए. ये नहीं कि रात को 11-12 बजे खाया सुबह 6 बजे चेक कर लिया, राइट? तो 8-9 घंटे का मिनिमम गैप आपको रखना पड़ेगा. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट 70 से लेके 100 तक आपका फास्टिंग शुगर सुबह होना चाहिए.
So it was on the level line.
It was on the higher side, but we don't need to worry up until it is like a permanent change.
Thank you, ma'am.
Shreya, can we write it in the chat box and give the name of the probiotic I just told, Econom? There was a question.
I'm just sharing it.
Yeah.
I think next question is from Deepak. Deepak will like to ask the question.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, sir. Good evening.
Ma'am, I want to ask, what is the right time or best time to have fruits?
To have?
I think you joined late. She have already answered that question. There is no right time, there is wrong time. It depends on the person's availability of food and the position. Shreya ji,
No.
will answer.
Sir, I'm asking about fruits.
अच्छा, ये आंसर मैंने ऑलरेडी किया है, तो अभी आपको श्रेया मैम अलग तरीके से बता देंगी. श्रेया मैम, प्लीज टेक केयर ऑफ द क्वेश्चन.
Yeah.
Right.
So, can you please elaborate your question? एक बार क्वेश्चन बताएंगे.
एक बार दोबारा मैडम को एक्सप्लेन कर दीजिए.
मैम, मैं ये पूछना चाह रहा हूँ कि फ्रूट्स जो हम लोग खाते हैं वो डे में किस टाइम बेस्ट है, मॉर्निंग, आफ्टरनून और इवनिंग?
आप खाना पूछ रहे हैं या फ्रूट्स पर्टिकुलरली पूछ रहे हैं? फ्रूट्स पूछ रहे हैं, ठीक है. सो बेसिकली आपको दिन में 2 बार खाना है जब आप मिड मील्स लेते हैं, ठीक है. मेजर मील्स आपको, जैसा कि सुविधि ने बताया, आपको 3 बार लेना है, जो कि आपका ब्रेकफास्ट, लंच एंड डिनर होता है, ठीक है. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट आप मॉर्निंग में लंच और आपके ब्रेकफास्ट के बीच में फ्रूट्स खा सकते हैं, एंड आप इवनिंग में 4-5 बजे के अराउंड फ्रूट्स खा सकते हैं. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है कि इवनिंग में फ्रूट्स नहीं खा सकते हैं या उसके कुछ साइड इफेक्ट्स होते हैं. कई बार हम सुनते हैं कि डिनर में फ्रूट्स नहीं खाना चाहिए, बट ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. यू कैन हैव फ्रूट्स.
ओके, थैंक यू.
Someone have joined with the name of iPhone. ये कौन है भैया? You want to ask any something?
Hello.
Sir, I'm late. This is Anshula this side.
Yes.
Yeah, this is Nitin.
Yes, Nitin.
Yeah, just I want to ask. Actually, some people are suggesting that on regular basis we should take that Zincovit, Bicasol, and Limsi.
Yes, you can have Zincovit.
So, what do you advise? Whether we should take it on regular basis or any other side effects are there for that medicines?
You can have it on regular basis, sir. At least 3 months from now, you should take it regularly. And I know there is a lot of buzz about it. Ki supplement lena hai, nahi lena hai. It is good or it is bad. All the nutrients cannot be regularly taken on the standard amount with, matlab in consideration to the food we are having. We don't have even vitamin C daily. We don't have B complex in our food. It is only in traces. So don't worry. Keep having the supplements at least 3 months from now. If only you are completely vaccinated and after that 1 month has passed, then you should stop having these supplements. Otherwise, you should continue with these.
There
And
is no
even
harm
after
and
being
side effect.
vaccinated for 1 year, for complete 1 year, when we are not very sure that this COVID problem has completely passed, we should have the minimal amount of all the supplements.
I would like to add on something. Know what you are having. कोई भी supplement नहीं लेना है आपको. ऐसा नहीं करना है कि you are having multivitamin and multiminerals और उसमें थोड़े थोड़े amount traces होते हैं कुछ कुछ. If you want to take zinc, proper आप Zincovit लीजिए, कोई particular लीजिए. ऐसा मत करिए कि zinc भी ले रहे हैं and multivitamin भी ले रहे हैं, right? So you should know कि आप क्या ले रहे हैं, उसका composition क्या है. Check it and you can have it.
Zincovit is okay, na? There's no harm in that, na?
Zincovit is perfectly fine.
Along with that, Zincovit, Bicasol also we can take, and Limsi also we can take.
Yeah, Limsi is for vitamin C. You can take that, and Bicasol is
along.
Okay, I think we are on the verge of a very helpful discussion. I leave the court for Suvidhi ji and Shreya ji to address. If they want to say something, then I will give a vote of thanks.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. First of all, thank you everyone that you are taking this step to be healthy. I know that this is a little problematic time for all of us, and we are day by day we are getting a lot of news and a lot of bad news, but the only thing is that this is very right time and this is very essential for all of us to at least take a healthy approach towards understanding our health. Because day by day क्या होता है, हम इतने busy होते हैं that we think ठीक है एक meal तो skip हो जाएगा, एक बार तो खाना नहीं खाएंगे, आज तो लेट से सो जाएंगे, अच्छा आज एक लेट नाइट मूवी कर लेते हैं, एक बार बाहर जाते हैं फ्रेंड्स के साथ, ड्रिंक कर लेते हैं, स्मोक कर लेते हैं. These things don't even come into our address कि how bad these things can be in like long run. So I want you to only take 2-3 major changes. That if you are sleeping, make sure you are sleeping 6 to 8 hours. If you are drinking water, don't make your routine की जब गला सूख जाएगा तब पानी पिएंगे. ये गर्मी में होगा, ठंड में नहीं होगा. Make it a routine that you are having a bottle of water, drinking water, 2.5 लीटर पानी पी रहे हो आप. Make sure at this time कि अभी ये register करना बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है कि हम supplements ले रहे हैं, but कई लोगों को जिनको confusion होता है कि supplement लेना सही है कि नहीं, and then we start believing on anybody randomly जो कहता है कि नहीं supplement मत लो, capsule के form में है, क्यों लेना है दवाई है. Understand that Bicasol बचपन से खाते आए हो, कैल्शियम बचपन से खाते आए हो, आयरन बचपन से खाते आए हो, अभी ज्यादा क्यों हो गया आप लोगों के रूटीन में? Because we are very busy. Men, women, both of the family members are working and busy. और कई बार हम खाने पे ध्यान नहीं दे पाते हैं, बट थोड़ा माइन्यूट चेंजेस करना है. सप्लीमेंट वेयर रिक्वायर्ड आप उसको लो. थोड़ा डाइट में रोज जो चीजें विदाउट फेल आपको करनी है, सैलेड लेना बहुत जरूरी है, कर्ड या कोई भी फर्मेंटेड फूड, छाछ या योगर्ट रोज लेना जरूरी है विदाउट अ फेल. बच्चे को आपके घर में दूध पीना नहीं पसंद है, मत पिलाओ, लस्सी देके आप देखो, छाछ देके देखो. बच्चे को गर्म दूध नहीं पसंद है, ठंडा दूध देके देखो, कोल्ड फॉर्म ऑफ इट कैन बी गिवन. तो all the changes need to be addressed, and right now start focusing on your mental health. थोड़ा deep breathing करो, because the last thing we can expect from this corona कि हम सबको mental disorders हो. तो थोड़ा deep breathing exercise, थोड़ा mental relaxation जरूरी है. Apart from this, one thing that we are doing very frequently is sanitizing our hands a lot. और 1 साल से आप ऐसा कर रहे हो, हाथ अब आपके ड्राई होने लगे होंगे, आपको रफ लगने लगा होगा, तो अगर घर में हो, घर में आ रहे हो, मेक श्योर यू आर जस्ट वॉशिंग योर हैंड विद सोप, बिकॉज बार बार सैनिटाइजर यूज करके भी इट कैन लीड टू स्किन डिसऑर्डर्स एंड ऑलरेडी रिसर्चर्स आर हैव स्टार्टेड ऑन दिस. तो नेक्स्ट थिंग, नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम वी डोंट वांट कि इससे जनरेट हो. एंड अगर घर में कोई भी कोविड पॉजिटिव हो भी जा रहा है, just make sure कि you are checking the SpO2 level at least till 12 to 14 days. बीच में symptoms कम हो गए या खत्म हो गए, don't forget that this virus can be very lethal after 6th day, from 7th, 8th, 9th day, right? तो make sure 12, 13, 14 दिन तक आप हर छोटे छोटे गैप पे SpO2 level check कर रहे हो. So these all things should be taken care of. Shreya, is there anything you would like to add? Please, you can add.
No, that's all. Thank you so much, Ravinder sir, for giving us the opportunity. It was a very good and interactive session, and that's all from my end.
One more small issue I don't know how we'll address Suvidhi or Shreya. एक ये vaccine के around there is a buzz. Which vaccine to be taken? Covaxin is more better than Covishield, and why should we take a vaccine? We should take or not take vaccine. I don't know it's your arena or not, but still, whatever is the best to their knowledge is the dietitian. Kindly share, please.
Sir, I am going to do a video on it in couple of days with my father, because my father is a nodal head during this vaccination program. He's taking care of corona, and he will give us a lot of insights on it. But obviously, because I have spoken to him, so I'll just tell you that एक होता है immunity और एक होता है herd immunity. आपकी herd immunity इतनी जल्दी build नहीं हो पाएगी considering the population जो इंडिया में, right? तो सबसे फास्ट तरीका इस प्रॉब्लम से निकलने का इस वैक्सीनेशन. डेफिनेटली जब बच्चे को, आप छोटे बच्चे को लेके जाते हो डॉक्टर के पास, BCG का वैक्सीन लगवाते हो या कोई भी वैक्सीन लगवाते हो, थोड़ा बुखार आता है, थोड़ा उसका साइड इफेक्ट होता है, क्योंकि कभी भी वैक्सीन लगवाओगे, बाहर की चीज लगवाओगे, बॉडी की इम्यूनिटी जनरेट होगी. तो उससे डरना नहीं है, बट वैक्सीन लगवाना, भले वो कोविशील्ड है या कोवैक्सीन है, दोनों में से कोई भी वैक्सीन लगवाना विल ओनली बी अ हेल्प कि एटलीस्ट किसी को कोविड नहीं होगा, और हो भी जाएगा तो उसके सिम्टम्स बहुत मिनिमम रहेंगे. तो राइट नाउ द बेस्ट थिंग वी कैन डू इज दिस, कि अभी हमारे लिए बेस्ट चीज क्या है, किसी भी चीज का कोई, अब इस चीज का रिसर्च आने में समय लगेगा कि इसका ह्यूमन हेल्थ पे क्या प्रॉब्लम हुआ, लेकिन अभी हमारे लिए क्या है कि टू बी फिट, टू बी फाइन, टू कीप लिविंग, दैट इज आवर मोटिव, राइट? तो फॉर टू कीप लिविंग वी नीड टू गेट वैक्सीनेटेड. अदरवाइज कोई मेडिकेशन नहीं आई है, कोई भी अपनी इम्यूनिटी पे काम कर ले तो वो बस इम्यूनिटी स्ट्रांग हो सकती है, आप जल्दी रिकवर कर सकते हो, बट ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको कोविड नहीं होगा. और एक बार जिनको कोविड हो जा रहा है, ओनली दे नो द पोजीशन दे आर इन. तो वैक्सीनेशन कराना जरूरी है. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, व्हेन आई डू दिस वीडियो आई विल सेंड इट टू यू सर, एंड और you can like reshare and people can see it.
Thank you. Thanks, Shreya. We have been great friends since 2019, 18, I think. 19 or 18.
18.
And we have been in touch with each other. She has been a great support whenever I have some query I used to ask. And she have moved up the ladder in the hierarchy. She have moved on to be an entrepreneur, and I wish her all the best. And thank you, Shreya, also. We have not met formally, but it was a great conversation having you both. Right now, I have been also tested COVID positive on 1st of April. So for 12 days, I was also in hospital. So I can relate with most of the queries. The kind of weakness, mental saturation, and the depression which you go through when you are in hospital and seeing people, it is really draining. So my only advice to my people out here is avoid. If you can avoid the disease, at the best you can avoid by wearing 2 masks, face mask, something, whatever you do. But still, if you get it, please take care, take medication from the day one, start treatment with a good doctor. Even after you test negative after some days, and if you still maintain SpO2 level, you check SpO2 level for 10-15 days more to monitor post-COVID pneumonia and post-COVID this typhoid, because we have many cases in which person got positive, after 10-12 days he became negative, he started going to hospital, and after 4-5 days his oxygen dipped very badly, and once oxygen dips, it cut off supply to heart and brain. It becomes a great problem. I'm telling you, we have cases we don't want to discuss because we are here to create more of positivity in our thinking, not that positivity, but positivity in thinking. So I will not share any negative thing. But my sincere request to everybody who have recovered from COVID is watch your vitals very carefully for at least 10 days post-COVID. If you feel any uneasiness in breathing, or if you feel any uneasiness in chest pain or something, please consult a doctor. Do not leave it. There are cases wherein SpO2 have reduced. Any which ways, we wish you all the very best for recovery. We thank you, Suvidhi. We thank you, Shreya, a lot for coming up. We thank Amrita for being such a good host for the session. And I end the session here. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, Amrita. Thank you, Ravinder sir. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, everyone.
Bye.